how to apply for positions with different companies via the TFY portal, or for seeking opportunities to change your career path. On the dashboard, you will find an option labeled Changing Your Career Path. By selecting this option, you will be directed to a page where you can update your self-reported skills, especially if you have completed any new project, certification, or diploma that has enhanced your skill set. Please indicate this information on this page using this option. After selecting your desired skill, proceed to save that specific skill. With your updated skill set, including the newly acquired skill, TFY will recommend a selection of roles and job opportunities available within TFY's partner network. It will also provide an estimated success rate for your applications to these positions. Based on your interests and success rate, you can choose which position you would like to apply for through TFY. In this instance, we will select the position of sales manager and proceed to apply. Upon doing so, the organization requires us to complete the specified application form. We must also enter other pertinent details and then ensure that we provide consent for our data to be processed in accordance with GDPR regulations. Upon submission, we are directed to a page that reveals our likelihood of being hired for the position. Additionally, if available in the TFY's database, it provides the median pay rate for the role globally. I trust this information is valuable. Thank you very much.